Hello everybody, this is the Pikachu Lover, and how are you all doing today? So I was going to put facecam. Sorry. And this is Sweet Saturday or Sweet Survival. Comment down below what you want it. But I recommend Sweet Saturday because I'm trolling and that's pretty sweet. But not trolling because it's the reef and I'm not friends with Agnestic Squid. But I'm going to do like trolling when I spectate. So let's go on the walkway. And yeah, I was going to do facecam, but I decided not to. And today I nearly got hacked by someone, so yeah. But luckily I changed the password. So I'm not telling you, even if you're my best friend forever. Yeah. That extra wood. Anyway, so yeah, I can't cut ahead of the video. So, anyways, not enough space to start. Oh my god. Just join, people. Join. I think they just stopped because I'm special. I'm not. So, let me get a pickaxe, just in case. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just getting started, guys. Nothing dangerous. No! Yay! I guess no. Okay. Why on earth did I make a sword when I already had any person to knock down? Any person to knock down, I said? No, I guess no. Bye. He had a nice life. Suicide. No, don't look at that chat. Sheriff Gaming. Why would you say that? Such a bad sheriff, you know. What does that even mean? So, thank you, God, for making me not hacked by that bad. Yeah, all I needed to say to God while I play Minecraft. No offense if you're not with God, you're with your other God and you're not. I don't get it. I'm not telling the password, and by the way, I just need to get someone down with my snowball tonight. Just a snowball, a big snowball, I may just make a Minecraft music video. about snowballs. So yeah, I was trying to get my friend's intro, but it seems like the sound of I don't know how to explain, but it doesn't work with Screencast. I mean, it does with Screencast-O-Matic, but the sound of the song doesn't work. So I chose another song, and then it's 5 minutes long when it had to be like 30 seconds. I wanted it, and the normal version is like 40. Anyways, I said anyways. No, I said anyways. You see that guy? Do you? You see that guy? That big MC guy? Very interesting. MC Live. My God. Okay. No, I'm not wasting it. About to fall down the street and bump my head like Mr. Bump. Mr. Bump. I don't watch him anymore. Well, I didn't watch him, but I didn't not watch him. I used to like him, but now he's getting a bit boring. Why is my shift thing not working? Did the hacker make the controls? No, it didn't, because I tried shift when the hacker wasn't on, and kind of okay. Lag, extreme lag. Where's my render distance? And anyway, I like the new feature that options. Wait, I'll just do this. Anyways, there's not many people on, so I can like try to stop the battle from happening. No, you can't not step there. You cannot step there. I said you cannot step there. You cannot step there. Try if you dare. Try. Look at that mad cow. Who's that mad cow? Who's that mad cow? Who's that mad cow? Yeah, I got the sword out. Who's that mad cow? Who's that mad cow? Who's that mad cow? Who's the matter cow? Who's the matter cow? Who's the matter cow? Who's the matter cow? No, you are. No, you are right. try. You can never win. Try. Just try, I said. Just try. Try. Finally, this is no more trolling. This has been a long time. I always wanted to do like a trolling series. And I'll try. Now you try again. Now you try again. Now you don't. Now you do. Now you don't. That's what you get for being mean. That's what you get for being mean and mad bad cow. Not training because of you. You destroyed all the animals. Shall I try trolling the other guy? Wait! I don't even see the other guy. So, why is he going up? Oh, I get it. No, you cannot go there. You cannot go there, son. It's too dangerous. It's the outside world. Oh no, why didn't... Wait a minute, you're not gonna win. You're gonna smack me first. No, you're not. I guess so. Whatever I say is true. Yay, Love the Queen won the game. Not that ugly cow. So, I guess this is it for this episode. Wait, I'm gonna see my time. Wait, what is happening here? Anyways, that's it for this episode. And I'll see you in the next Sweet Survival or Sweet Saturday. Bye. I'll keep on doing trolling. I promise next week I'm going to have, you know that, face cam. Yeah. So that's it for this episode. Let me show my skin. Anyway, that's it for this episode. I'll see you next time. Bye.